Wow, I'm just leaving Publix on a bright sunny day, and boy, do we got something coming in, huh? Look at that. Woo! Wow. And coming in from the north and the west. And a quick look at the road work out here on 19. And now I got the whole middle of the thing closed off. Oh, and here, this is where that leaky gas station used to be. That was then a car dealer, and they've just torn the whole thing down, filled it in, grassed it all over, looking real nice. It's like almost like a little park now. Okay, made it home safe and sound. Still got them storm clouds coming in, a few drops of rain. But I also noted while I was down at Publix looking across the street, my good old auto mechanic, American Auto Repair, is now Halls River used car sales. Just what we need, more used car dealers in Homosassa. Like, we don't have enough, and we do have too many excellent mechanics. Good luck to him, and I hope he keeps fixing my car, because that's the only reason it's still running. Oh, also, thanks to my geek, Captain Nemo of NOLA, I have worked out a new idea for the roof mount using the suction cups, but using a bar between them permanently mounted, but secured after the cups are secured on the roof. So I've got the angles right on those, and we'll be able to pull it good and tight so there's no wobble, so I can have it all in one piece, which is very important, so I don't have to align the cameras every time I put it on or off, because I don't want to leave it on there when I'm in the store or something, you know. So I'm working on that. I think I can make this work. And I also picked up some newspaper, because he also told me when I couldn't find my weed block that newspaper can be used instead of weed block, and it's actually better in many ways. So I grabbed a couple of newspapers, something I haven't bought in 50 years. No, I bought one when Obama won the presidency. I bought the headline paper for that day. But other than that, I haven't bought a newspaper in 50 years. So there you go. While I got you here, I'm going to throw on one little cooking with Judd tip. This is these little cups of applesauce I buy, and what I do, I don't know if you ever noticed, but you dump the applesauce on the plate and there's all sorts of water in it. So I drain them while my sausages are cooking, and so then by the time they're ready, all the really liquid stuff has drained out of there, and I have applesauce that isn't running all over the plate. Just a little tip from Cooking with Judd. And new item from Publix, gluten-free real cheddar cheese crackers by Lamb. And these are Cheez-Its, believe it or not, and they're delicious. Okay, so check those out. Lance gluten-free real cheddar cheese. They've also got the sandwich type with either cheese or peanut butter between them. I don't know, but I can't eat it for other reasons. But there you go. Happy day to you.